Hi, my name is Marvi Williams, CEO of Big M Entertainment Pictures, located in Los Angeles, California, the epicenter of Hollywood, California. I'm really enthused. I'm really excited to be able to share with you my fundamental approach to screenplay writing. Screenplay writing can be a daunting task. Going from an initial concept and idea and trying to work that all the way through a production quality script. There's so many nuances, there's so many logistical items and technical details and approaches that you can take from going through an idea to try to make it a feature film. And as we all know, every great feature film, every great feature has a great story, but ultimately the underlying common denominator is a great script. And that's where I would love to take you on that journey. Now, in the last 10 years, my production company has been able to work with some really cool companies, ranging from Interscope Records to Disney's Hollywood Records to even Sony Pictures. My screenplay writing ability has caught the attention of, the producers have put together films ranging from Predator to iRobot to The 300, Immortals, Forrest Gump. On the TV side, working with individuals who have helped on projects from Power to Empire, The Blacklist, and even Magnum PI, all these great things were only enabled because of my understanding and approach towards screenplay writing. You don't want to just rely on maybe having a gift or having an ability to be a great storyteller. That is the seed, the fruit of the tree that you want to really grow through, personifying your execution of a great script. And, through our journey together, I believe you can get acquainted to all the details and all the information needed to really have a successful go at this. While nothing is promised and nothing is guaranteed, especially in the world of Hollywood, what you do want to do is you always want to lead off with your best example, your best first impression, and you can always land a great first impression with a great script. So, if you liked anything that I've said, hopefully we can embark on that journey. I'm very excited for you to go. I'm very excited to teach, and I've seen what my own approach has given to me, where I've seen my own dreams turn into a fundamental business reality. And that's what I'd like to share with you. So, come on.